Namaste, Prema from LG Electronics. Today's recipe I am making for the soya tikki. For the ingredients, so here I taken for soaked soya for 1 hour, potato boiled, crushed peanut, salt to taste, coriander leaves, grated the ginger and for the green chili. So now I can mash the potatoes here. Just we can boil and we can mash it for this. Nicely we can mash on this. So along with we can mash with the soya also. It's mixed up now. So now for this I'll add for the coriander leaves, ginger, green chili, peanut crushed one. For this I can add for the salt to taste. And we'll mix up on this. We'll make for the nice shape. So soya also we can mash it nicely in this. See, now the soya tikkis is ready now. So I am keeping for the high grill rack with a multi-cook pan. So I can close the door. Here I can select for the diet fry option. So we can select for the number 17. Number 17 and start the button. So once in this one it will become for the 2 times beep sound will become. So in between once the beep will become, you can open the door and turn it and keep. Again second time it will become to the beep. That time also you can turn and keep it back again for that. So this is done. So this it will become for the crispy with a brown. So both the side the crispy with the brown it will be there on this. Now we can have a look here also. I can show you once again. Coming here. So once the beep will become, I'll open the door. We'll take it. So it comes to the browning efficiency nice. We'll turn it and keep it back again. It's there in the last 2 minutes time on this. Continue.